Good morning, guys. This is yet another day in Ramnagar. So yesterday's Digala safari was amazing. We saw many animals. We saw elephant, a group of elephant, and then various types of deer, spotted deer, barking deer, and then we also saw sambar. Then we saw crocodile on the banks of Ramganga. Then we came back. It was great. Jungle is very dense. Now for today and tomorrow we have Bijrani Safari. We have booked a night stay over there, so we are hoping to see more animals. So let's see how Bijrani turns out.
To book Bijrani stay, all you need to do is go to Corbett official website, click on night stay, select the zone you want to stay in and do the booking. On confirmation, you will receive such receipt. This booking includes room rent, housekeeping charges, solid waste management, self as well as driver and vehicle entry charges. We booked it for single night and it cost us about 4,200 rupees. In addition to this, you have to book a gypsy to reach the rest house and for safari. For that, you need to pay extra that is not included in permit. Depending on your zone and number of nights, charges will vary from 3,800 to 6,000. And gypsy has to be legit. Driver needs to have a license to go for night stay. For that, you can visit the same website and get authorized driver's number and their vehicle information too.
So that's our ride for today and tomorrow.
सर आजकल ऐसे चल रहा है ना मीटिंग टाइम, तो उसमें फाइटिंग में ही मर जाते हैं ज़्यादातर ना टाइगर।
So this is Amanda Gate and this is reception and inquiry desk where we have to show them our night stay permit and some ID proof. So we are at this point, Amanda Gate, and our stay is here, Bijrani Forest Restaurant. And then we might roam in this area for safari.
आपके वेलकम के लिए आए हैं सर। यहाँ पे
Just we were about to reach the rest house, we were welcomed by this beautiful herd of deer. As you enter the premises, you will see this Swagat Kaksh where we have to do the check-in. Here is interesting board. Whosoever sights the tiger, they mention their name on this board, where exactly they have spotted the tiger and at what time. This is really helpful for the guides.
Thank you. It's a very basic room, but it's very nice. It's very nice, but everything is chargeable. Even the hot water is chargeable, but it's okay. It's very inside the jungle, and they have to do everything by hand, and everything is on solar power, so it's great. And I really don't mind spending money on such things when everything is maintained so well and runs on renewable sources. It's all good. The one thing I love about this room is this fireplace. It's pretty nice. It's not allowed technically to make fire inside the jungle. So, and this Bijrani stay is pretty nice. We are in the compound. We are seeing so many deer. Now we are gonna have some quick snack and then we'll see what else is around this place.
Premises is guarded by electrical fencing. That's there is office. Here is canteen and some sitting space. Those are the rooms for the drivers and for guide to stay. Here are our rooms. And you can spot so many deer inside the premises. Just behind the main office, there are quarters for forest officials and they also have 2 elephants for patrolling. क्या पसंद है इसको?
गुड़ और रोटी की एक वैसा बड़ा सा
क्या कर रही है फिलहाल ये? हाँ, बचपन से डांस करती है। अरे वाह बोली। After having some quick bites, we started our first Pijrani safari. This safari is basically all about the tiger. Not whole part of Pijrani is allowed for safari. Only few routes and grassland along the river are permitted. We started our safari from Kichar Road. Pijrani jungle is filled with lush green and there are almost 400 plus species of flora that are recorded here. While going, we saw a group of langur monkey and spotted deer. It is said that they both have best friends. Monkeys keep eye on the threat from any predator by sitting on the tree. In whole safari, we witness how true it is.
पहले ही पत्ता गिरा होगा है ना, तब रखा उसने पैर।
हाँ, पत्ता पहले गिरा है, उसके बाद पैर रखा है।
We chose this road so as to visit the favorite place of very famous tigress Sharmili. She got her name from all guides.
यहाँ बैठना उसको अच्छा लगता है।
लास्ट ईयर दिसंबर से
She was a really loved tigress among all guides. After crossing small dry stream and greeting patrolling officials, we continued towards grassland near Chittor Road. We were keeping our eyes wide open for any signs of tiger, and then we spot this territory mark. As we saw controlled fire, we were hoping that due to this fire, if there was a tiger sitting in that grassland, then it might have come out, but instead we saw a frightened herd of spotted deer waiting for this fire to blow out. These control fires are set by forest department to clear up the old dried grass so that new fresh grass will grow in monsoon. Jungle stayed silent after a few alarm calls from deer. Chasing deer calls led us to Ring Road where we have a good chance of sighting. Quietly listening and following those calls led us to one of the waterhole, and we all are waiting for tigress to come out. Some of us were lucky to spot her on this waterhole. She is just inside these bushes, few feet away from us, maybe watching us from there. It was very quiet, and it's like there is no other animal around her, not even a bird. All of us were waiting for more than an hour, but she preferred to take a nap till our safari comes to an end. But hey, never mind, we will again try tomorrow. Jungle safari has strict timings, so even though we wanted to stay, we couldn't. During this safari, we came to know so many fascinating things about jungle. For example, do you see this road? It is called fire line, which is used to control the accidental fires in jungle. As it was getting dark now, we want to rush to the rest house. Even this peacock is saying goodbye to us. Good morning, guys. So it's second day in Vajrani. It's 6 a.m. and we are leaving for the safari. It's very cold. And a lot of fog. See this. This is only because we have lights over here. Otherwise, we cannot even see from 5 feet. By taking fire line, we all were excited to track movements of tiger by signs like calls of deers, fresh territory mark. Even we were looking for fresh pug mark to understand which road the tiger is taking.
उधर से दूर से कॉल आ रही है। कौन? इधर से। ये देखो। नीचे गिरा हुआ है।
हम खाली ये लटके क्यों है ऐसे? ये नहीं तो ये वाला ही है।
वाला फ्रेश है।
ज़्यादा
फ्रेश नहीं।
As compared to yesterday, we spotted a lot of tiger movements today. But sadly, tiger really managed to hide from us. With this, our second day came to an end. We both were happy with what we experienced in last 2-3 days. But at the same time, we were also saddened by the fact that we did not spot the tiger. By seeing us like this, our guide told us that it took him 6 years to spot the tiger. Even though I completely understand that it's a natural habitat for tiger which makes it difficult to spot him, but still deep down, I really wish that we could have spotted. With heart full of memories and experience from tiger tracking, we came back to rest house.
So that's all from Bijani Safari. We didn't spot tiger, but the whole process of finding or spotting was amazing. Finding its pug mark, whether recognizing whether they are fresh or not. Also checking territory marks. We also spot some fresh territory mark which we didn't see yesterday. So the overall experience was great. We really enjoyed here. Now we are gonna have some breakfast and then gonna head to Binsar. So that's all for now. So if you like nature and if you wanna enjoy safari, then you must try Bijani or Dikala. First try for Dikala and then for Bijani, and try to get night stay because it's much more fun than the canter or gypsy day visit. So yeah, that's all for now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.